Hi there, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina and I'll be showing you how to make chicken shawarma in the Instant Pot. This recipe has been adapted from my stovetop recipe and we love to eat it in pita wraps with lettuce and tomato and white garlic sauce. I also like to use the same toppings but on rice, so basically a chicken shawarma rice bowl. It's really a delicious recipe. Here are the ingredients you'll need for the shawarma. The ingredients are in no particular order, it's whatever worked for arranging the photograph. If you go to the blog, you can get a printable recipe which has the ingredients in the order they're used. I'll include a link to the recipe in the notes of this video. You'll need 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 cup of yogurt, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, or you could use a 3-inch piece of cinnamon stick, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt, more or less to taste. The first thing we're going to do is make the marinade. Stir together paprika, nutmeg, cinnamon, cloves, black pepper, coriander, cumin, and salt. Stir all the spices together. Add the garlic, lemon juice, yogurt. Stir together all the ingredients for the marinade. You can use a whisk or a fork. Once you've done that, add the chicken to the marinade and stir all the ingredients together so the marinade covers all the pieces of chicken. And you're gonna set that aside, put it in the refrigerator for as long as you can. If you have more time, the better. So I would say 30 minutes at minimum, but if you can do it for 4 hours or so, that would be great. Once you've done that, add the chicken to the Instant Pot, stir in the bay leaves, and believe it or not, you don't need any more liquid to pressure cook the chicken. The liquid from the yogurt, lemon juice, and what's released from the chicken is enough to bring the Instant Pot to pressure. Pressure cook the chicken for 4 minutes and then do a natural release of pressure, which is you're going to allow the float valve to come down on its own. You can eat the chicken as is, and it's quite tasty, but I like to brown the chicken. Heat some oil up in a cast iron skillet or a nonstick frying pan. Add the chicken to the oil and let it brown and crisp up. I also like to add the cooking liquid from the Instant Pot to the chicken and let it evaporate, and that concentrates the flavor of that liquid and it makes the chicken even more tasty. You won't use all the liquid, you just use a few tablespoons. You can taste as you go. Now we're ready to make the pita wraps. Spread some garlic sauce on the pita. I have a shortcut for garlic sauce that I'll include in the notes. It's very easy. It's basically yogurt, mayo, lemon juice, and garlic. Then you add lettuce, tomato, and chicken, and that's it. You have your chicken shawarma wrap. You can also make a rice bowl with the same ingredients. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and thanks so much for watching.